Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Plaplex is probably one of the most versatile and innovative gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of functionality and user-friendly design that appeals to a wide range of consumers. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest advancements or someone seeking a practical solution to everyday challenges, this device aims to impress with its cutting-edge features and intuitive interface, making it a standout choice in a crowded field of electronic devices. Number 5. Moroccanoil Treatment Hair Oil. Discover the transformative power of our signature hair oil. It's designed to nourish and revitalize your locks, leaving them smoother and more manageable. Infused with argan oil, this treatment deeply conditions your hair. Experience a noticeable difference in texture and shine from the very first use. Tame unruly frizz and flyaways with this potent formula. It helps to create a sleek finish, making styling effortless and your hair look polished. Watch your hair transform with enhanced vibrancy and a healthy glow. This oil adds a beautiful luster that catches the light. Whether your hair is fine, thick, color-treated, or natural, this versatile treatment provides essential nutrients. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine. Protect your strands from environmental stressors and heat damage. This nourishing oil helps to strengthen and repair, promoting overall hair health. What we like. This product is rich in argan oil, providing incredible shine and softness. It's also great at taming frizz. If you're looking for an instant boost of hydration and manageability for dry, dull hair, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Plaplex has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any kitchen. Its innovative features make cooking a breeze, saving you time and effort. The durable construction ensures that the Plaplex will last for years to come. Number 4. Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Introducing Olaplex No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This powerful formula is designed to repair and strengthen your hair from within. It deeply nourishes all hair types, ensuring that every strand receives the hydration it needs for optimal health. Experience incredible softness after just one use. Your hair will feel smoother and more manageable than ever before. Not only does it improve texture, but it also enhances your hair's natural shine, making it look vibrant and healthy. Trust Olaplex No. 5 to revitalize your hair. It's the perfect addition to your routine for stronger, shinier, and healthier-looking locks. What we like. It actively repairs and strengthens your hair while providing deep nourishment. It leaves your locks feeling incredibly soft with added shine. If your hair is damaged, weak, or just needs a healthy dose of moisture, this conditioner is perfect for you. What people say. My hair is now soft, not frizzy even when it is humid out. This is all in just 3 days. There were no tangles and the entire day my hair has been smooth, soft, and manageable. My hair is now shiny, silky. It took a few wash and conditioning cycles in a week to get rid of all the tangles in my hair and relax my brittle ends. My hair held silky smooth. After just a few uses, my hair is so much softer and easier to brush through. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all, and the shine is noticeable right away. Number 3. Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. Experience the transformative power of our advanced formula. It works to repair and strengthen your hair from within, leaving it more resilient. This shampoo is designed to nourish every strand, regardless of your hair type. It provides essential nutrients for healthier-looking hair. Unlock a radiant shine you'll love. Our formula enhances your hair's natural luster, making it look vibrant and healthy. Enjoy incredibly soft hair after every wash. It leaves your locks feeling smooth and manageable, free from dryness. Discover the complete solution for beautiful hair. It's the perfect addition to your routine for maintenance and revitalization. What we like. This shampoo works to repair and strengthen your hair, nourishing it from root to tip. It leaves your hair looking shiny and feeling soft. If you want a daily cleanser that actively improves hair health while maintaining its vibrancy, this is the one. What people say. It cleans my hair really well without stripping moisture, and leaves it feeling noticeably softer and stronger after each wash. My hair seems quenched and healthy. I never need to use conditioner when using this product. From the first washes, I noticed my hair felt softer, stronger, and much healthier. It really helps repair damage and leaves my hair smooth and shiny without weighing it down. Number 2. Olaplex Nº. 7 Bonding Oil. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex Nº. 7 Bonding Oil. It's designed to transform your hair with unparalleled shine and protection. Experience a new level of radiance. This powerful oil not only adds a high shine but also provides essential protection against heat styling. Achieve visibly smoother and softer locks. It enhances your hair's natural vibrancy, leaving it feeling incredibly touchable. Say goodbye to frizz for up to 72 hours. Enjoy beautifully controlled hair, no matter the weather or your styling routine. Perfect for every hair texture, from coily to straight. This versatile oil is your go-to for healthier looking hair. A little goes a long way with this concentrated 30 ml bottle. Get salon quality results with every drop. What we like. It offers high shine and excellent heat protection for your strands. It visibly smooths and softens hair, while also boosting color vibrancy and controlling frizz for up to 72 hours. If you frequently use heat styling tools or want to protect your color-treated hair while achieving a sleek finish, this oil is a must-have. What people say. It instantly controls frizz, leaves my hair soft and shiny, and doesn't feel heavy or greasy at all. You only need a tiny amount to see great results, so the bottle lasts a long time. It also helps protect my hair from heat and seals the ends perfectly. Just a few drops rubbed on my mid and ends does the job without feeling oily or greasy. My skin is oily too, and this hair oil doesn't irritate my face. Not too fragrant where I smell it all day. It's super easy to use and it makes sure you don't get too much. It's not sticky, but it does leave a slightly greasy feeling in your hands after. It doesn't however make your hair look greasy if you don't use too much. It's amazing quality and super effective at taking frizz and making your hair look and feel soft. Number 1. Olaplex Nº 3 Plus Complete Repair Treatment. Discover the revolutionary Olaplex Nº 3 Plus, your ultimate solution for damaged hair. This powerful treatment is designed to restore your hair's health and vitality. In just 3 minutes, experience immediate repair for your hair. It works quickly to address damage, leaving your locks feeling revitalized. Achieve noticeably softer and stronger hair with consistent use. It helps to rebuild and strengthen your hair from within. Whether you have coily, curly, straight, or wavy hair, this treatment is for you. It's designed to benefit every hair texture. Incorporate this into your routine as a pre-shampoo treatment. It prepares your hair for cleansing while delivering intense repair. See and feel the difference after just one use. It effectively repairs damage, enhancing the overall look and feel of your hair. What we like. This is a quick, 3-minute pre-shampoo treatment designed for immediate hair repair. It makes your hair noticeably softer and stronger. If you have severely damaged hair and are looking for a fast-acting solution to restore its health and resilience, this treatment is ideal. What people say. This creation helps strengthen hair by repairing and healing each individual hair shaft with less noticeable split ends. This product has quick results, and after 2 to 3 washes, your hair is noticeably healthier and stronger. It also leaves your hair very shiny and soft with the amount of hydration it gives. It will fix split ends by relining the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage to the hair. This formula is made to work with various types of hair while reducing breakage and improving its look and feel. My hair is now soft, not frizzy even when it is humid out. This is all in just 3 days. The wet brush I use as always just glided through my hair with such ease. I was like, oh okay, and then once I dried it I was completely shocked at the difference the first wash alone had made. There were no tangles, and the entire day my hair has been smooth, soft, and manageable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.